In this video, I'll show you how to share your screen on Discord. First, join a voice call or enter a voice channel. Once connected, click on the screen share icon. You can choose to share a specific application or game from the Applications tab. This is useful if you only want others to see a single window. You can also switch to the Screens tab. From here, you can share your entire screen or a specific monitor if you have multiple displays. I'll go ahead and share my second monitor as an example. Click Go Live to start sharing. If you'd like to change the stream to be another screen or application, click on the Share Your Screen icon. Then click on Change Stream. This will allow you to change the stream. If you'd like to adjust the quality, click on the Share Your Screen icon again. Then hover over Stream Quality. From here, you can change the resolution and frame rate of your stream. For example, I'll set mine to 1440p at 60 FPS. Your screen share will now use the selected quality settings. If this video helped, please leave a like and subscribe.